Honey, dinner is ready.
Okay, I'm coming.
I made steak today.
Wow, it looks delicious.
What is the plan later?
We can watch a movie.
That sounds perfect.
I found a new movie.
What kind of movie?
It is a horror movie.
Oh no, not horror.
Why not? It is exciting.
I will have nightmares.
But it is very popular.
I prefer a romance movie.
Romance is too boring.
It is not boring.
They always cry in the end.
How about a comedy?
A comedy is good.
We can laugh together.
Is there an action comedy?
Yes, looking at this one.
That looks fun.
Let's watch this one.
Deal. Let's finish eating.
Oh, what happened?
The lights went out.
Is it the TV?
No, everything is dark.
Look at the window.
The street is dark too.
Don't move yet.
I cannot see anything.
Where's your phone?
It is in my pocket. Okay, I have light.
We need candles.
Do we have candles?
Yes, in the cabinet.
The kitchen cabinet?
No, the living room cabinet.
Let me look. Ah, I found them.
Do you have matches?
Yes, right here.
Light the red one.
There.
It smells like flowers.
This looks romantic.
Do you remember this?
Remember the candle?
We bought it together.
On our honeymoon?
Yes, in Hawaii.
That small gift shop.
You have a good memory.
Of course I remember. But no movie tonight.
That is okay.
I really wanted to watch it.
Look at us now. No TV, no phones.
It is very quiet.
We can just talk.
Just you and me?
Yes, no distractions.
This is special.
I like this moment.
It feels like a date.
A romantic candlelight dinner.
The atmosphere is perfect.
Better than a movie.
Let's enjoy the food.
Who needs electricity?
Not us, definitely.
Wait a minute.
What is wrong?
The fridge is off.
Yes, no power.
What about the freezer?
Oh no, the ice cream.
It will melt quickly.
We bought 2 tubs.
We must save them.
How do we save them?
We must eat them.
All of them?
Yes, bring 2 spoons.
Okay, let's do this.
I have the chocolate,
I have the vanilla.
and we share them.
Cheers.
It is cold.
But it is delicious.
When will power return?
I do not know.
Maybe in 10 minutes?
I hope so.
If it comes back?
We watch the movie.
While eating ice cream.
That is the best plan.
Eat faster, honey.
I am getting brain freeze.
The ice cream is finished.
And still no power.
It has been an hour.
Are you bored?
A little bit bored. It is too dark inside. What can we do?
I have a new project.
A project in the dark?
Yes. Follow me.
Where are we going?
Outside the house.
We are in the yard.
Now look up.
Wow, look at that.
The stars are amazing.
So many stars tonight.
They are super bright.
Why are they so bright?
Because the city is dark.
Usually we don't see them.
Too many streetlights.
Light blocks the stars.
Tonight is clear.
Look, is that Orion?
Where?
Those 3 stars?
Yes, that is the belt.
It is beautiful.
Nature is the best TV. What time is it?
It is past 10.
Still no electricity?
Should we go to sleep?
The bedroom is hot.
And very pitch black.
I like the moonlight here. I have an idea.
Another idea?
Let's camp here.
Here? In the yard?
Yes, sleep in a tent.
Are you serious?
Why not? It is cool.
That sounds fun.
Let's get the gear.
Where is the tent?
In the garage.
I found the tent.
I have the sleeping bags.
Let's set it up.
Hold this pole.
Is this right?
Yes, push it through.
It is going up.
Use the hammer here.
The tent is ready.
Let's get inside.
It is cozy in here. This feels like an adventure.
Just like old times.
Oh, look at the house.
The lights are on.
The power is back. What do we do?
Should we go inside?
The bed is comfortable.
And the AC works?
But I like the tent.
Me too.
The house is boring.
I have a plan.
What plan?
Turn off the lights.
And stay outside?
Yes, continue camping.
I agree.
I will turn them off. Darkness again.
Just the stars now.
This is fun.
We should do real camping.
In the mountains?
Yes, invite our friends.
Jason and Emily?
They love camping.
Let's plan it tomorrow.
I am getting sleepy.
Close your eyes then.
Good night, honey.
Good night, happy camper.